Welcome to my YouTube channel. This video should know about units and limits. There are a couple of ways to open the Drawing Units dialog box. Command line. Type units or UN and press enter. Application menu. Click the AutoCAD icon, usually a big A in the top left corner. Go to Drawing Utilities and then select Units. Decimal. Displays units as decimal numbers E3. This is often preferred for metric drawings E. Millimeters, meters, decimal degrees. Angles are displayed as decimal numbers E45. This is the default. Precision. Sets the precision displayed for angles E. Number of decimal places for decimal degrees. Clockwise. Check this box if you want positive angles to be measured clockwise instead of the default counterclockwise. To set the drawing limits in AutoCAD, follow these steps. Type limits at the command prompt and press enter. Specify the lower left corner. You'll be prompted to specify lower left corner or on-off current. To accept the default 0, 0, just press enter. To define a different lower left corner, enter the X and Y coordinates separated by comma, E10, 10, and press enter. Specify the upper right corner. Next, you'll see specify upper right corner current. Enter the X and Y coordinates for the upper right corner of your desired drawing area, E210,297, and press enter. What the limits command does, defines a rectangular boundary. This boundary is an invisible area within your drawing space. Controls the grid display. By default, the AutoCAD grid will usually extend to fill the defined limits. Limits point entry. If turned on, you can set AutoCAD to prevent you from drawing or entering points outside the defined limits. To turn the limits check on or OFF, type limits and press enter. You'll see the specify lower left corner prompt. Type on to activate the limits check or off to deactivate it, then press enter. You might be prompted for the corner coordinates again if you turn it off and want to redefine the area. Typing zoom and pressing enter. Then type all or just a and press enter. This will zoom the display to show the entire defined limits.